everybody, and welcome back to Probably Pancakes, the show where we turn flapjacks into fat stacks. I'm your host, Flip Malarkey. Let's meet our contestants. She's tough, she's tenacious, and she loves her guinea pigs. Let's give a big Probably Pancakes welcome to Teagan! Teagan, tell me, what's your favorite thing to put on pancakes?
Probably syrup.
Probably syrup on Probably Pancakes. It's a classic. You gotta love that. Now, he's kind, he's creative, and he loves playing hockey and the trombone. Hopefully not at the same time, or maybe he does. It's Carter! Carter, tell me, how many pancakes have you eaten in one sitting?
Probably about 2 or 3.
2 or 3, very modest. Folks at home, to play along, tell us in the comments what team you're on. Are you a member of Teagan's team, or are you a member of Carter's crew? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our sponsor, Brain Food Studios. Brain Food Studios, nourish your potential. Now, to go over the rules for those at home, we have 20 pancakes here in front of us, and inside each one there is a chip, just like one of these, that has a dollar amount on it. These are our prizes, but also we have chips that have X's on them. We open up pancakes and bank our prizes until we get an X. Then we lose it all and the play moves to the next person. Now at any point, they can bank what they've earned in past play to their opponent to keep that money safe. Inside each of these, we have 6 $1, 4 $2, 2 $5, and 2 big money! You guys excited?
Yes.
Yes? All right. That means that in our opening play, there are 14 prizes in these 20 pancakes. That means the probability of getting a prize is 14 out of 20. The probability of getting an X is 6 out of 20. Scary stuff. Watch out for the X's. The person with the highest bank at the end wins. Numero, why don't you tell them what they're playing for?
Le champion d'aujourd'hui recevra une toute nouvelle iPad! Et comment Flip?
To get us started, I'm thinking of a number, and whoever comes closest gets to go first. All right, and the number is?
I'm going to say 14.
14, that's a pretty good guess. Let's see, can you get closer than 14?
40?
40! The number was 7, and 14 is a lot closer than 40. So, Carter, you get to go first. Carter, why don't you open up the pancakes?
Okay, I'll choose this one.
That one there, that's a great one. Let's see, what have you got? Is it an X? It doesn't look like an X.
Nope, it's dollar sign.
It's a dollar sign. On the other side, we have the value.
I got $5.
$5? There were only 2 of those in there. Out of the 20 pancakes, that means the probability of you getting that $5 was?
2 out of 20.
2 out of 20, or 10%. All right, knowing that there are now 19 flapjacks, and there are still 6 X's in there, and 13 prizes, do you want to keep going and play for big money, or do you want to pass it to Teagan?
I'm going to keep going.
He's going to keep going, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what he opens up next. Ooh, let's see. What does he got? What does he got?
Already then? I got $1.
$1! Now, there were 6 of those in there. What was the probability of him getting $1, knowing that there were 6 $1 and only 19 pancakes this time?
It would be 6 out of 19.
That's correct! All right, now you've got $6 in hand. Do you want to bank that and keep it safe, or risk it all and go for more?
I think I'm going to bank it.
He's going to bank it! He's got $6 in the bank, ladies and gentlemen, so that means right now it is Teagan's turn. Teagan, open your pancake! What's going to be, ladies and gentlemen? It's a green one.
$2?
It is $2! Now, there's still 6 X's in there, but we also have 2 big monies. Do you want to keep going, or do you want to pass the play?
Keep going?
She's going to keep going, ladies and gentlemen! Let's go! Well, it looks like, could it be? Yes, indeed, she's earned
$1.
$1! So $1 plus her original $2. She currently has $3, which is half of what Carter currently has. But those X's are still lurking, everybody. Is she going to keep going, or do you want to pass the play?
Pass.
She's going to pass. She's going to bank that 3 and pass it over to Carter. Carter, pick your pancake.
Okay, this is pretty scary, but I'm going to go for this one. Oh, okay. I got $2.
All right. Now, how many pancakes do we have left? We've got 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pancakes and 6 X's. What's the probability of you getting an X?
6 out of 15.
6 out of 15. Those are pretty scary odds. Are you going to keep going, or are you going to bank that $2?
I'm going to go one more time.
You're going to go one more time. What's he got?
Oh, no.
Oh, no. He's got an X. That means he loses the $2. Oh, he gambled and he lost. It happens to the best of us, gentlemen. Let's go over to Teagan. Teagan, open your pancake.
Okay. I got an X.
Oh, no. She got an X. Well, at least she didn't lose any money on that one. Carter, it is your turn. Pick your pancake.
Okay. Oh, it's an X.
We got 3 X's in a row, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what Teagan can pick. It's not an X.
I got $2.
She got another $2. So that money is still in danger of being lost should she pick another X. Or she could bank it and pass the play to Carter. What are you going to do?
Do it again.
She's going to go again. There's 3 more X's out there. 3 more X's. What has she got? What has she got? It looks like, could it be? Yes, she has earned another $1. Teagan, there's still 3 more X's out there. And there are 3, 5, 7, 9, 10 pancakes. That's a 30% chance. 3 out of 10 pancakes of X's. What are you going to do?
I'm going to choose one more time.
She's going to go again, ladies and gentlemen. What a brave decision. What is it going to be? Oh, it looks like another $2. She's going to bank it. $8 in the bank. Good job, Teagan. Carter, it is your turn. Pick your pancake.
Fingers crossed. Oh, yes. No.
Oh, Carter, tough luck. He's got another X. Oh, that means it passes back over to Teagan. Now, Teagan, there are 2 X's. There are 2 big money. What's the chances of you getting an X right now?
A quarter of it.
A quarter, 25%. All right, pick your pancake. How are you feeling right now, Carter? Are you nervous?
Yes.
Yeah?
I want the big money.
He wants the big money, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see if Teagan pulls out the big money. Flippin' flapjack! She's got the big money, everybody! So, there was a 2 out of 8 chance that she was going to get big money. Are you ready for the big money? You ready for the big money? Here you go! You earned big money! How do you feel about earning the big money?
Good.
Good! All right. Now, are you going to bank the big money, or are you going to keep going and risk it all?
Keep going.
She's going to risk it for the syrup-soaked biscuit and going to keep going. What has she got, ladies and gentlemen?
$1.
She's got another $1! Whoa! Now put it with the big money because it is not safe yet. All right, you've got big money. You've got $1. And you have $8 in the bank. 2 more X's out there. And there's 1 more big money. What are you going to do?
Do it again.
She's going to go again. I told you she was tough and tenacious. Oh, tough luck. She gambled and she lost. She flew too close to the pancake sun. She lost the $1. She lost the big money. Oh, tough luck, Teagan. That sound means we're almost out of time. We both have time for one more pancake pick. There's 5 pancakes left. What's the probability that you're going to get big money right now?
1 out of 5.
1 out of 5. Let's go, Carter.
I'm going with this one.
He's going with the burnt one.
What is it? Oh, what? Ooh, what is it?
He's got a doll. He's got money.
Big money!
He's got big money, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get him his big money. Congratulations. A 1 in 5 chance. What are the chances? Well, those are the chances. All right, Teagan, it is your turn now. There's still a 5 out there, and now there's only 4.
$1.
All right, and you add that to your bank, and now it's time to add up our banks. How much money have you got, Carter?
$6.
$6. He's got a 5, he's got a 1, and he's got big money. Let's see what Teagan has. She's got 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, $9. 9 is more than 6, so Teagan, congratulations, you are our flapjack champion! Congratulations, Teagan. Here is the big prize. Here is your brand new iPad. Why don't you show it to the folks at home? Isn't it nice? How do you feel right now?
Weird.
Weird? Why weird?
It's an eye on the pad.
Exactly like we said, it's an iPad. Congratulations, Carter, on coming in second place. You're going home with $6 plus some big money, and we have some parting gifts courtesy of Brain Food Studios. Brain Food Studios, nourish your potential. And to the folks at home, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Brain Food Studios. And until next time, if it tastes good with syrup, it's probably pancakes!